Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to receive updates. Today we have a video on Boat Airdopes 138. Though this model is nearly 2 years old, it is still worthy. The packing looks attractive. The case is looking cute and handy. 3 LED charge indicators are there above the boat logo. Inside the box we have the Airdopes warranty card, some booklets, sticker and a Type-C charging cable. These are the Airdopes themselves. The color is steel blue and the build quality is good. The USB Type-C port for charging is on the bottom. When we open the case, the LED indicators will show the charge status. The Airdopes have LED indicators which blink when we take them out of the case. Buttons on both sides help to navigate through various tracks, receive and reject calls, etc. The call quality is also good. To connect, take the Airdopes out or just open the case. Switch on the Bluetooth on the phone. Airdopes 138 will be listed. Click to pair. Next time it easily pairs. Unlike a true in-ear bud, this does not fit properly. Because of that, we will miss the full sound quality. We need to press the Airdopes firmly towards the ear to enjoy the bass effect. This is in my case. This might fit well for some others. We can charge the case using a power bank or a Type-C adapter. The total charging time is 2 hours. Once charged, we can enjoy 3 hours of music per bud and a total of 12 hours with the case. Now let us listen to a sample music. The microphone will not be able to capture the bass effect. This just gives a rough idea. You can also check some newer models on Amazon like Airdopes 141, 181, 190, 121 Pro, 413ANC, etc. I will leave the links in description in case you are interested to purchase. Any purchase through this link will support the channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share and comment. We'll meet soon with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.